For today's practice, we're going to be dealing with decimal points again. And here you can see we have one whole with the points in between showing the fractional amounts or the decimal amount. But I like to think of it as fractional amount. And the reason why I like to do that is because fractions do make it a little bit easier to me. So I know this is 6/10 or 60/100 of the whole. Now, let's take a look at the things you're going to be using. You're going to be using an arrow to show where your decimal point is. You're going to be using the less than sign, meaning that whatever number is on the left is less than the number on the right. We're going to be using the equals sign. We're going to be using the greater than, meaning whatever's here is greater than the number here. And we're also going to be using another arrow on the right to show where our number ends, where our second decimal is. All right, let's take a look at our first one. We've got 0.53 or 0.53 or 5300. Is that less than, equal to, or greater than 0.35 or 3500? Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark where that 0.53 is. So I'm going to move my arrow over to the 53. Then I've got to look at my other number, which is 0.35 or 3500. Going to move that over to that location. And once I see that, I can see that 5300 is greater than 3500. And I can go ahead and I can move that down there as well. Now this is what you're going to be doing on some practice ones. You're going to show me the practices so I know that you're getting it. After the practices, you're going to do almost the same thing on your homework. Good luck.